G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're out here. It's a bit nautical today, but we've got Joey from Jollip Lures here, and he's just got himself his dolphin fish. How good's that, mate?
So good, mate. Thanks heaps. This is awesome.
Quarter, we're going to get these laser lures out and see what we can catch. We'll see if we make it a double, eh?
Double hook.
Oh yeah, we're all over it. Oh, look at this, hitting it.
Got him.
Oh!
That's a better one.
Doubles!
How good is that, mate? So good. Mine's going. Hey, mate.
Oh, mine's a dolly. How much fun's this? On the light gear, how you the snapper gear out? This is how much fun you can have around one of the fads or wave recorders around Costa Harbour.
There we go, guys.
I've side hooked him or something. These
Fun so far.
come on, mate. All these mates there, they're all there.
He's a big.
Just because he's side hooked, but took the laser lure. Oh!
Sorry, mate. Jumping off.
Come on, mate. Oh. He's side hooked, so he's hard to get in on this light gear.
He had a decent ending.
What's he doing?
Can't see. Come on, you little.
His head was getting down, that's why he was hard. There we go, mate.
Sweet.
Nice little dolly there.
Good job, mate.
There we go, nice little dolly there. We'll get rid of him. Let's get another one. Alright guys, the gear I'm using, just my snapper outfit, and I got this twisty laser 30 gram in a white one, and just casting it out, let it sink a bit, and just wind. As he said, dolly just jumped in the back there, dolly's jumping everywhere. Let's get this lure in and catch another one. Oh, yep!
Oh,
I think it's a king. It come and smashed it too hard, so I think this one's a king, but look at this big one here. There's one massive dot.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Oh, look at him. Big.
That's the one we want, mate. Here, just cast here, because there's big ones just there. He's just there. See him lit up? There we go, little king. Cast back out and see if we get a dolly.
Big dolphins, I reckon. But something, see him down deep there? Really shape.
Nah, little kings, mate. Oh, yep, hooked up. Little dolly again. Hey, pop this one. That's mine. Nah. Oh, that was close.
Oh. Wait, hold on.
Yep. I'm pretty sure the ones out wider here will be dollies. So when you get them out here, it'll be more a dolly, I'd say. Yeah, they're little puppies.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Oh,
fine jump.
that's what you call a quick release. Oh.
You poor mate, poor dolphin. Oh! Yeah,
Yeah.
that big one there. Look at him. Look at that.
Oh,
Oh, that thing
yeah.
just come whistling through.
Oh, he jumped, dropped him.
That's right where the big one was. Oh, that was a big boy.
Oh, yep, bust up on mine. Big bust up, that one. All right, we'll move back up on the wave recorder now and go again.
Oh, there.
There's actually some better kings there, eh?
Another king. Not even showing the camera now with that. Isn't that big? Head on up a little bit.
Wave recorder's just here. We'll cast it out. We'll be either a king or a dolly. And we're hooked up.
Right.
Oh, dolly. Oh, look at it jumping out there. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, dolly. Look, I'm gonna see if you slow one up. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, look at that! Another dolly. Hey! These fish aren't big guys, but man, they're a whole lot of fun. Especially for Joey, he hasn't caught a dollies before, so he's having a ball. And on the light gear, it's always good fun. We'll let him go.
The first time in my life I've been crook.
Oh, yep, I'm on. I'm on. Up. They're kings though. Oh, yep. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at this. Straight to the boat. Oh, you king.
Should have had the dome in and I would have got the stripe on that.
He's decided to take off.
And the little rod again. Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
And I just got felt. That's a
A
big
bigger fish, is it? Doubles, mate, again. Oh. Oh.
I've got a king, I think.
I've got a king. Oh no, this is going to be bad. It's all happening.
Remember guys, like 6 pound
Oh,
breadstick.
I'm over the top of you, mate.
I'll pump this in half the time, mate. How fun are they? Hang on. Phew. Mate,
How good?
Woo!
Whoa!
How good? Might grab that on the camera, and that's that video done. I'll give you a. Do you want a hand to land yours?
No, he's a. Been playing up this one. Oh, dollies are here everywhere. Come here, mate. Don't follow us now, I'd say.
Well, yeah, the guys,
There you go, beautiful kingy. He'd be probably just legal, I'd say, but I'll let him go. Thanks for the shower. Alright guys, we're just coming up to the wave recorder again. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to check out Joey's channel, check out Fishing with Jollip. I'll put the link below. Yep, hooked up. And there's the wave recorder right there. Double hookup. They're probably either kings. This one feels like a king.
I'm a kingy.
By the way it's going. But what? How much fun can you have? Kings, dolphin fish. Every drift we're getting 5 or 10 fish. And it's great fun. If you just want some fun, this is what I'd be doing.
Oh, there's a big ball right on the boat, mate.
Is it?
Yeah. He's lit up too hard.
Big bull. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen him yet. But there you go guys, that laser lure. Definitely doing the job. There we go. Another king. See you, mate. Yeah. Yep. Oh, dolly. Oh, dropped him. Oh, yep. Literally just cast my line out, went and changed the GoPro battery. Let it sitting there. 2 irons, I think it was. Bang, on again. Oh, look at them there, everywhere. Now these dolphin fish are the fastest growing fish in the sea. Like I said, these aren't big fish, but just a bit of fun. Joey's never caught one before, so we thought we'll bring him out here and get onto a couple.
Yeah, I've caught about 20. How good.
Yep, on again.
Another dolly. Troy's on again. You just want to go and catch fish.
Oh yeah, big jump out the back. Oh yeah. Yeah, mine was getting hit on the drop before.
Oh, you hooked yours.
Hooked it, side hooked him. I think it's because it's the one I'm hitting on when they're dropping. They're just fucking, there's that many there, they're just swiping at it. Come here, mate. Oh.
Not the rigger.
Yep.
We're just going to troll past this. Just a fish trap marker, or that's simply all it is. Possibility it could be a big dolly hanging around it, hopefully. But we're going to come in nice and close, so we'll have a decent look and see if we can see any action there. There's a few birds dive bombing out to the left of it there, so yeah, here they are. They're everywhere.
Oh, yeah, good ones.
Big ones, big ones.
Get
big
ready.
Dollies. We might be on here, guys. A couple of big dollies we just run over the top of here. Yep, they're on it, they're on it. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Oh, big ones, big boys. Oh, we're on. Come on, boys.
Just hold on for a
Yeah,
second.
mate.
See if I can get them started.
Right, here he comes, here he comes. We've got two real big dollies on the far back right rigger. He's a good fish. Chip shot off there now. Oh, he's looking at his
Still there.
Oh, he's on it. There's one right on the back of it here. Oh! So Pete needs to clear the gear or? No. Yep, we're on. Woo! Yeah, boys.
There's a bigger one even back further.
Oh, big boy! Woo! That's a big dolly! Yeah, boys, that's a big dolly. That's a big one, man. You'll be right. You right, you reckon? I should have asked if you wanted that one. Nah. It's a big dolly, man. It is a fucking belter. He's got a mate with him. You want to get a double? No.
You just worry about that.
Oh, it's a big one, mate. Hey, look. I didn't realise how big he was. Oh, he's got a mate with him. Two mates.
Yeah, there's three with them.
Give him the old groin ring.
It's a fucking good one.
It's a big one. Get a good camera out.
He's coming home, mate. If I get him.
Yeah, exactly, mate. Is a fuck. Oh, he's not that big. Oh, look at his big mate out the back of him.
Yeah.
Is that a different male female or?
Yes, yeah.
Just walk backwards. Woo! Yeah! Woo! That's a beauty!
Neutral.
Fuck yeah, legend. You are fucking...
Hold that. There you go. It's a bit better one.
That's another video. Yeah, that's going now, mate. I'll let you can...
Do it full hard.
Is he right to hold or should I clean him off?
That's up to you.
It's alright for the video or?
It's a good gas shot. That's what I
It's a
know.
fucking great cat. Oh,
Just watch. He's gonna go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Now check out this video here, but until next time, enjoy what I enjoy, it's fishing, camping and cooking a catch. See you guys.